I'm from Malaysia myself. So that's an ethnic group, the largest ethnic group in my country called Iban. So this is representing the head leader or the captain of the village. But instead of portraying the husband, I'm actually portraying the wife. The reason why is I always believe behind the strong man, there's always a strong woman. That's the reality. And the woman as well, we know that she's not only looking after the husband, but she will make sure that all the job in the house, all the cooking, all the cleaning, and look after the children as well is actually a part of her job. So in a way, she's a superwoman. So that's the reason why I'm portraying, I'm giving a modern interpretation, my personal interpretation is for like a mother and a child. So a woman is not only looking after the husband, but they're looking after the whole thing. And hopefully the mother be a better, a greater educator. So spread the love, spread the knowledge, share it, going through the children. Hopefully the next generation will spread it to the four corners of the world, which is we see the north, the south, the east, and the west. So that is the shorter version of the story. But you can read more. There's more information out on that thing. And then if you get my name, if you want to know more, you can Google me, and then the story will come out.
Fantastic. Yep, sure, we'll do that. Yes. Good to hear this.
Believing in yourself, trust each other, work together as a team, spread and share love with each other.
Yeah, sure.
It's just this specific stories is for this venue, but when it comes to other stories, it will continue. So my work is always related from the previous one, current one, and the future story. So it's not like today I'm talking about family, tomorrow I'm talking about global warming. No. My work is always continuously.
Yeah, so it goes like a wave.
Exactly.
Yeah?
That's a narrative. That's the organic flow.
Yeah.
My series.
Great. Thank you so very much.
Thank
Have
you
a good
so
flight,
much.
sir.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Thank you for letting me